Hello everyone. Today we'll see a problem which is related to cost sheet. In that we'll see tender and quotation. Sum number 56. Here I'll read out the sum. Okay. The accounts of a machine manufacturing company discloses the following information for 6 months ending 31st December 1993. Material used 1,50,000, productive wage 1,20,000, factory overhead 24,000, establishment and general expenses 17,640. Prepare cost sheet of the machine and calculate the price which the company should be quoted for manufacturer of a machine requiring material value rupees 1,250 and expenditure in productive wage rupees 750, so that the price may yield a profit 20% on selling price. So here is the working. First we have to prepare cost sheet. So heading is preparation of cost sheet. Material used here 1,50,000. Productive wage 1,20,000. If we add these together, we will get prime cost. $2,70,000 is the balancing figure. We will get as a prime cost. Along with that, we have to add factory overhead. In the sum, it has been given as 24,000. So if we add 24,000, then we will get 2,94,000. It is called as works cost. Along with this, we have to add administration overhead. In this sum, it has been given as establishment expenses. 17,640. If we add, we will get the balance of cost of production. If we add this, we will get 3,11,640. So it's our duty to add selling and distribution expenses. There is no selling and distribution in this sum, so we will get the balancing figure of cost of sales. The same 3,11,640 has been said to be the cost of sales. See, this is the cost sheet. This is the cost sheet. Actually, we are preparing. So, for the purpose of tender and quotation, we have to follow certain rules. There is certain standard assumptions. Standard assumptions. The formula here is, first one, factory overhead to direct wage. And for second one, office overhead, office or administration overhead to works cost. And for third one, selling and distribution overhead to works cost. This is what the standard assumption we have to follow now. Okay. So for first two case, factory factory overhead to direct wage. So in this sum, factory overhead as we have rupees 24,000. Rupees 24,000. Direct wage, it's called as productive wage. It will be rupees 1,20,000. So now if we calculate factory overhead 24,000 divided by direct wage 1,20,000 into 100, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 12 is 12, 2 12s are 24. So we will get 20%. Now factory overhead to direct wages is 20%. So this is what we need. Okay, for second case, administration overhead to works cost. Administration overhead in the sum we have 17,640. Works cost we have 2,94,000. So if we calculate 17,640 divided by 2,94,000 into 100. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then if you do, we will get 6%. So administration overhead to works cost is 6%. These two information is very important for the purpose of calculation of tender and quotation. So now we have to prepare a separate quotation for the work order in 31st December 1993. We have completed the half of the information as asked in the sum. Prepare a cost sheet. Okay, based on this material 1,50,000, productive wage 1,20,000, factory overhead 24,000, establishment and general expenses 17,640. Based on this information, we have prepared a cost sheet, and then they have asked us to quote the price. Okay, so here they have given another material value 1,250 and also productive wage 750. And then they have said if the price may yield a profit of 20% on selling price, then what should the quotation tender price should be. So now it's our duty to prepare a quotation. Okay, so the heading is quotation. Quotation for the work order in 31st/12/1993. So here material they have given 1,250 and wage 750 has been given in the sum. So if we add these two, we will get 2,000 as prime cost. So add factory overhead. So we have used the formula and we have found out factory overhead to direct wage is 20%. So 20% of direct wage 750. Okay, so if we take, we will get 01020 750 150 we will get. So this 150 added to that prime cost to arrive work cost 2,150 is called as works cost. Add administration overhead. We have used the formula administration overhead to works cost is 6%. 6 by 100. The work cost here is 2150. If you do, we'll get 129. So that 129 if we add, we'll get 2279 is called as cost of production. So there is no selling and distribution expenses. So we'll write as nil and we'll get the answer is cost of sales. The balancing figure 2279 is called as cost of sales. So if next our duty to add profit. In the sum they have given 20 profit, 20% on sales. So 20% on sales is converted as 25% on cost. So we have cost of sales. So in that cost we have to take 25 by 100. 25 by 100 into 2279. If you do, then you'll get 569.75. Okay. So if we add this 569.75, then you'll get the price should be quoted. Okay, 2848.75 rupee should be the quotation, should be the quoted selling price. So that's all. Okay, like this you have to do the problem.